Impressing women is actually a lot easier than you think, man. Like, you know, there's a lot of videos, including myself. I've done probably hundreds of videos on how to do this, but it's truly not that complicated. It's not that deep, bro. Women are humans at the end of the day, and if you can just do the simple things right, you will impress her. Because most guys overthink it. Most guys overplay it. A good example of this is if you can just have a conversation with her without stuttering, I promise you'll impress her. Why? You'll come across as confident. You'll come across as a dude that doesn't stutter, that's direct. So I've always told you, right? When you approach a girl, which most of you won't, but when you do, right, you've already won the first battle. You've already shown your deck. You're a confident dude. You go exactly for what you want. You're already in a positive light in her eyes. But most of you, when you approach it, right, you're looking away, you start stuttering, you don't know where you're going. And I've told you every damn time, bro. You do two things, you'll impress her. One, slow down your movements. Just slow down. Literally, just relax. Don't jitter too much. Don't shake too much. Because the more you shake, the more nervous you make her, and the more nervous you make yourself. Calm down. Slow down your movements. And then you slow down your speech. See, as I'm slowing down my speech, and I add those long breaks, not only do I make it more dramatic, but I'm allowing myself to think before I talk to you. You do those two things, you'll come across as more confident. Number two, just speak clean. Smell clean, bro. Like, I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm a fragrance head. Like, I truly love fragrances. You've seen my collection. I probably have 40 bottles. I grew up on this stuff. It's probably a Latino thing. Like, yo, I would go to middle school and my dad would spray fragrance before I stepped out the door. I don't know what it is. I've been wearing fragrances since I was like a little jit, bro. Like, it's always been a thing. But if I were to be honest with you, you don't need it. You honestly don't need it. Most girls don't really care that much or know what the difference is. And for the most part, they just want you to smell clean. Like, yes, a fragrance can help you in certain situations, and it's a good thing to add on. But in reality, if you just smell clean and you have that masculine musk, right? You eat the right foods, etc. That natural scent that comes from a man, it's almost like pheromones, bro. It's addicting to a woman. You've already placed yourself in the top 10%. Most men don't shower in the morning. That's your first statistic. They come out of bed all musty, all crusty, bro, all sweaty. And they'll go out into the real world like that. So you just showering in the morning and smelling clean, you've already won. This takes me to number three. You have to have more testosterone. There's actually been studies on this, which is crazy. I actually want to run a study here and test this out myself. But women can actually select men, especially when they're ovulating, that have higher testosterone just by looking at them. Just by looking at them, they will rate those men as more attractive. And then when they tested their testosterone levels, group A and group B, the group that was rated as more attractive on average had higher testosterone levels. Correlation or coincidence? I don't think so. It makes sense, right? Testosterone makes you leaner, it makes you bigger, it makes you stronger, it makes you more confident, it makes you more motivated. Even without talking, a man with high testosterone, it's almost like you can feel it. And the problem is that you're destroying your own levels. The problem is that most brands are fighting against you, bro. Most brands, especially grooming brands, your fragrances, your deodorants, your shampoos, your conditioners, they will microdose you with estrogen and you don't even realize it. And you don't even realize it. There's all these phthalates and parabens and microplastics like BPAs. They're found in cheap grooming products. And those ingredients act as pseudoestrogen in your body that impede testosterone production. That's why you have so many guys that look effeminate, bro. But today we're changing the game. Today, boys, we're dropping our new shower bundle with Heat Grooming. This has been co-designed with Billy. You've seen Billy. She talks about masculinity. And this was her main goal. Making sure men had products that don't damage their testosterone and instead help their testosterone. So we not only removed all those damaging ingredients, we also added high-end oils like lavender and cedarwood, which naturally smell amazing. They smell masculine, but also scientifically lower your stress levels. So every time you shower now, you're going to be lowering your stress levels. And what happens every time you lower your stress levels? Your cortisol levels lowered as well. Cortisol is the stress hormone. And naturally, when your body lowers cortisol, it increases testosterone. We're helping you out, bro. This package is going to sell out. It's actually probably about to sell out right now. So if I were you, I would run now. And I'll tell you why. Everyone that's a member to the shower bundles, which is a crap load of guys, they're getting this product first. Yesterday, pro members bought. And you know pro members are savages. They get it second. So today is launch day, which means there's not a lot left. which means if you really want to change your shower routine, I would check it out right now. And if you subscribe, you not only are going to get this shower bundle, you're also going to get the deodorant, which includes the same ingredients, shower steamers to help elevate your shower routine, and we're going to give you a free pair of underwear, which looks sick. It says He Groomed on the waistband, super sick, and a silicone scrubber for free. Those 2 free gifts, it's like 80 bucks, completely free if you order today and subscribe. And remember, boys, every month you're gonna get a new shower bundle with new products, new ingredients, and new functionality to keep your shower routine exciting. If you guys wanna check it out, I'd click that link down below. 3, have a good set of friends. There's this thing called the cheerleader effect, where if you're seen with a group of people, whoever judges you will judge you on average. Meaning, if I were to walk down the mall by myself, girls will judge just me, right? 5, 6, 7, whatever the number is, right? But if I walk with a group of men, and let's say all the men's are 10s, and let's say I'm a 4, right? But they're all 10s. They're all like high-level dudes. They're tall, they're jacked, they're chads. They're going to do an average of the group, and all of a sudden, they're going to say, oh, yo, that group is all attractive men. Those are all 8s and 9s. It's called the cheerleader effect. And I want you to do the same thing. I've told you already, you need to level up your friends already, right? I want you to be with ambitious, strong, fit men. I need you to level up your friends that dress well too, that take care of their grooming as well. What's going to happen is that you're going to notice that all your friends are now 5s, 6, 7s, 8s, 9s, like you are. And now, on average, you will have increased your rating. So when a girl sees you and your group of friends out and about, they'll be like, yo, that group of friends, those dudes are attractive. Number 5 is I need you to stop being nice. Again, this is easy stuff, bro, but to truly impress a girl, I need you to stop being nice because most of you are doing it not because you're nice. It's because you're weak and you're incapable of actually having a spine, of saying what you really want to say. And you're incapable of it because you're afraid of losing her. That's not being nice. That's being manipulative. You're not a nice guy, bro. You're manipulative. You're trying to manipulate her into liking you, and that's what actually gets you worse results. So don't blame women, blame yourself. Stop being a nice guy. If it's a no, it's a no. If you don't want to do something, you don't do something. You have to have a spine. You have to be direct. You have to be assertive, and you're going to get an adverse effect. You think you would have lost her, but no. When you're that assertive, you actually would impress her. Most women want to lead a man, a masculine man. Stop being a nice guy, be a direct man. And it's almost like you'll start building up a sense of danger. And that's what girls want, which directly takes me to number 6. You gotta be a little dangerous. How do you do that? Go to the gym first, right? Build a healthy body. Right? If you're overweight, you need to you need to cut some of that fat. If you're skinny, you for sure need to put on some mass. Bro, as a man, if you want to build presence, you need mass. Look, I just hit 200 pounds, and I'm telling you, you walk a little bit different. Most men walk around $120, $130, $150 at best. Just so you know, most women will weigh the same weight as you. If you truly want to be dangerous, you have to put on mass. I need you to start bulky. It's the best thing you can do, bro. Not recently, I was about 205. I was my thickest. And I'm telling you, you walk a little bit different. And then I want you to magnify that danger into a combat sport. Boxing, jiu-jitsu, Muay Thai, I don't care what it is, right? What you're going to notice is you're going to go from being a nice guy that's incapable of anything dangerous to a dangerous man. You're going to walk around thicker. You're going to walk around being an actual weapon. You're going to be able to defend yourself. And when you do that, you're going to notice you're no longer going to be picking fights with people. You're no longer going to be trying to measure dicks with anybody. No, bro. No more. You don't have to. Because now you're going to be an actual nice guy. You're going to be a nice guy that's actually holding himself back. That's a nice guy. Because you're actually capable of danger. And that's a dangerous man. And that's something attractive. Because women want to feel protected. Which ultimately takes me to number 7. Talk to other girls other than her. Look, this only applies if you're not in a committed relationship, obviously, right? I don't want you out here thinking your boy's spewing some red pill talk, open relationship BS. Nah, bro. I'm not gonna spill that to you. But if you're single, do not just talk to one girl. I've said this since day one. You owe her nothing because she's talking to multiple men as well. And the most attractive thing you can do is show social proof, validation that you're a desirable man. And the way you do that is by talking to multiple women. Talk to more women. Don't let her think she has all the cards because she doesn't, right? The more women you talk to, especially in the talking phase, she sees you talking to Ashley and Victoria and Sophia, she'll be like, yo. Now she's fighting for your attention. Now she's going to be like, yo, why are you talking to all these girls? Yo, we should make this something. She's going to be asking you to make that a relationship. That's what you want, right? This is negotiation 101. You can't show your desperation. And if you are only talking to one girl, it's almost impossible not to act desperate. So talk to more girls.